How does Xiaomi TV Box work in South Africa? The Xiaomi TV Box is a smart streaming device that connects to a TV via HDMI, turning it into an Android-powered smart TV. In South Africa, it works with local and international streaming services, offering 4K HDR support, Chromecast, and Google Assistant for a seamless entertainment experience. 1. Setup and internet connectivity. The Xiaomi TV Box plugs into a TV's HDMI port and connects to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. South African users need a stable internet connection, recommended 10 megabits per second or higher for HD 4K streaming. Second, access to global and local streaming services. The Xiaomi TV Box runs on Android TV OS, giving access to Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney+, as well as local South African services like Showmax and DStv Now. Users can install apps from the Google Play Store for more entertainment options. 3. Chromecast and screen mirroring. With built-in Chromecast, users can cast videos, music, and photos from their smartphones, tablets, or laptops directly to the TV. This allows for easy content sharing without additional devices. 4. Google Assistant and voice control. The Xiaomi TV Box supports Google Assistant, enabling users in South Africa to search for content, control smart home devices, and manage playback using voice commands. The Bluetooth remote includes a dedicated Google Assistant button for quick activation, 5.4K HDR streaming and audio support. The Mi Box S model supports 4K Ultra HD with HDR10, delivering sharp and vibrant picture quality. It also features Dolby and DTS surround sound, enhancing the audio experience for South African users. 6. Compatibility with local TV services. Many South African DStv Now users stream via Xiaomi TV Box as the app is available on Android TV. It also works well with Showmax, YouTube, and international streaming platforms, making it a versatile choice for entertainment. The Xiaomi TV Box offers an affordable and effective way to turn any TV into a smart TV in South Africa. With support for local and global streaming services, 4K HDR, Chromecast, and voice control, it provides a seamless and enjoyable entertainment experience.